So how could you translate in a Safari but offline? Let me show you the possibilities that we have. Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, consider subscribing for more tutorials and videos like this one. So of course, inside of your Safari, you can tap on the button next to the URL and translate it, right? That would be the thing. But also you have the option to export the web pages, right? So you could, for example, just tap on the website or the article you want to get into and essentially click the power button and the volume button like that, and you can actually like switch it from the, so you actually like capture the screenshot and you choose not the screen but full page. But the point is that the web page is now translated, right? So you translated the web page to any language that you want it, capture the screenshot, and you get like a entire web page which can be exported and saved as PDF in your Files app, right? So if you want to translate the web pages and access them offline, that is the way I would go about it. As you can tell, that is by far the best way or the easiest method of doing that. Obviously, you can also just save the web page for offline reading through the reading list and perhaps use the Google Translate or Apple Translate, where you also have the ability to download languages for offline access, but that would be like a different way of getting to the same result. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to do what you needed. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon in the upcoming videos as well.